Hey, have you ever played the Chrome dinosaur game? Or maybe zoomed into a company's logo and noticed that it never gets blurry? And all these are just possible because of two simple HTML elements, that is the SVG and simply the canvas. So let's understand why are these so important. So first, let us understand the canvas element. So your canvas element is used to draw graphics, but with the help of JavaScript. So you can think of canvas element simply as a container for your graphics, but you need to draw the graphics with the help of JavaScript. So let me show you with some examples, and you can also find the handwritten notes for this video. The link would be simply in the description. So first thing first, you simply need a canvas tag. Then you simply need to mention the height and width of your canvas. So let's say simply height 500 and width simply 700. And as I told you, you need to draw the graphics with the help of JavaScript. So I already have the JavaScript for that. So for now, no need to worry about the JavaScript. So you will learn about the JavaScript later on in the course. But for now, simply know that Canvas is used to draw graphics with the help of JavaScript. So we simply have our canvas with the height and width. And you also need to have one ID. Let's say simply game drawing. So why you need ID? As you need to draw the graphics with the help of JavaScript. So if you will have ID, you can simply pick this element, that is your canvas element, with the help of ID. Or here I have the game canvas. So simply the same thing. So let us give it a border to make it visible on the screen, the canvas. So simply with the help of inline styling, that is with the help of style attribute. So it would be 2 pixels solid black just to show the canvas to you. See, now the canvas is visible, right? And this rectangle, you can assume that as simply the Chrome dinosaur game that I mentioned earlier. But wait, you will tell that if the canvas is simply the container, so why not have div instead of the canvas? So let me show you what will happen if you will simply have div. So I'm changing this to div. So now let's say, see, it got messed up, right? So as I told you, the graphics you cannot have inside any other container. You should always use canvas for this. So now let's understand the SVGs. So your SVGs are simply scalable vector graphics. And when I say scalable, it means they will not lose any quality when zoomed or maybe resized. So let's take the example of this as well. So here we have two cases. The first case, let's say we already have a SVG image downloaded. So let's take the SVG. So we need simply a image tag, that is img, and I already have two images. Let's first take the PNG. So I have the Google logo. First logo is simply the PNG image. And the second image is simply your SVG. So see, we have the first image, that is PNG. So let me just zoom in and show you the difference between SVG and a normal image. So see the quality of the image. The PNG got blurred, right, while zooming it. Now let's check our SVG. So this is our SVG image. See the quality. Crystal clear, right? So you should always use a SVG image if you want to have a logo for your websites. So now let's take the second case. Now let's say you don't have any SVG image. So what you can do, you can go for the inline SVG. That is simply with the help of SVG tag. So this thing I'll show you in this website. So when you don't have any image SVG, you can create any shapes or maybe logos or even customize that with the help of this tag. So for that, let's go to this website W3 Schools. So simply type SVG example W3 Schools. So see, all this I already told you. See, here how a circle is created using SVG. Simply a circle tag again is being used. Then again, you can even create rectangles with this. Then again a star. Then this gradient as well. That is linear gradient. So see, so for that you need to write this much code. But I don't think you will need to do so, as nowadays we already have SVG images in most of the cases. So yes, that's it for this video. Hope you all understood about the canvas and SVG element in HTML. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.